Howdy. Okay, if you found my video, you did the same thing I did. Let me find a video on how to remove my tub. First steps first. Safety. Make sure the vehicle is securely on the ground or securely on jack stands. Safety first, always. Alright, so this will work. This is an M38A1. This should work for the CJ5 or most Willys of this time frame. So, I was having a hard problem finding all these. Couldn't find a good video. So I'm going to break it down Barney style. That way it's super easy and entertaining. And we'll go from there. Okay, so majority of the bolts are on the rear end. You have 4 going across bumper. 1 is under the taillight bucket. You have to remove the taillight to get to it. And then you got another one right here by the V-bracket pintle hitch. You have several on the V-bracket itself. Then you have 2 right here. 1, 2. 1 under the body. What I would highly recommend doing while you're doing everything to unhook it, unhook the the wiring, linkage, steering shaft, all that. Spray these down, penetrating wall. Save yourself a ton of time. I'm lucky this Jeep's actually really good, so they're coming off. But there's one more location. Let me show. And then by far the easiest one are the gussets up front, right there, plain as day, easy peasy, lemon squeeze. I wasn't going to tell you what size nut and bolt, but if you ever had one of these, you know that don't matter because they just put whatever fit in there. Luckily, most of these turn out to be 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter. There is some metric bolts in here, oddly. But don't worry about this until you have it ready to come off. I got it ready to come off. Everything, the steering wheel and the steering shaft are just sitting in there because I don't want my kids to mess with it. So it's just sitting in there. But everything else is unhooked and ready to go. So I hope this makes it easy. I just wasted so much time. I wasted more time looking for a video than I did removing the bolts. Just saying. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope it helped. Y'all have a good night. We love you. We're out.